Hello students, welcome to my channel Reshma Physics. In today's video, let us discuss about nearly 15 problems which appeared in EAPCET from 2018 to 2024 related to errors. So, the first question, the error in the measurement of resistance when 10 plus or minus 0.5 ampere current passing through it produces a potential difference of 100 plus or minus 6 volts across it. So he is asking to measure the error in resistance. So he gave one current I equal to 10 plus or minus 0.5 ampere. In this 10 ampere is nothing but the current I and 0.5 ampere is nothing but the change error present in the current flowing delta I. Similarly, in voltage 100 plus or minus 6 volts, now here 100 is the voltage and this 6 volts is nothing but the error present. So now the formula for error to measure the percentage error is, we will write, he asked to find the error in resistance, no? So V equal to IR according to Ohm's law. So R becomes V by I, right? So now we write the formula as delta R by R equal to delta V by V plus delta I by I, right? This is the required formula. That is delta V nothing but 6 by 100 plus 0.5 by 10. That is equal to, now on simplification, we get 11 by 100. Now we have to find the percentage error. So delta R by R into 100 percentage is equal to 11 by 100 into 100 percentage. So percentage error present in the measurement of resistance is 11 percentage. Right? This question is asked in 2024 May 9th. Now next let us move to the question asked on May 10th 2024. The internal and external diameters of hollow cylinder he gave as 5.73 plus or minus 0.01 centimeter, 6.01 plus or minus 0.01 centimeter measured by vernier calipers. Then the thickness of cylinder wall he is asking to find. First the internal diameter D1 5.73 plus or minus 0.01 centimeter. External diameter D2 6.01 plus or minus 0.01 centimeter. Now, internal radius diameter by 2, right? External radius diameter by 2. So, actual thickness, the formula T is equal to half D2 minus D1, right? That is equal to half. Now, D2, here he gave in the problem as 6.01. plus 0.01 minus D1 5.73 plus 0.01. Actually plus 0.01. Now it becomes minus 0.01 plus 0.01 cancels. 6.01 plus 5.73 minus. We get 0.28. So 1 by 2 into 0.28 we get 0.14 centimeter. So error in thickness. Delta T1 plus delta T2 we have to find. So now delta T1 is 0.01 centimeter. Delta T2 also is nothing 0.01 centimeter. See here he gave in the problem. Right? Now delta T we will get if we add these to 0.02 centimeter. Now overall thickness becomes 1.14 centimeter we got plus or minus 0.02. So answer is 0.14 plus or minus 0.02 centimeter. Now next let us move to the question asked on 10th May 2024 shift 2. A capacitor of capacitance he gave 4.0 plus or minus 0.2 microfarad is charged to potential of 10.0 plus or minus 0.1 volt. The charge on capacitor he is asking. So the charge on capacitor, what is the formula? C into V. Right? C, how much he gave? Nothing but 4. Now V, how much he gave? 10. So 4 into 10, 40 micro coulomb. right? Now next, using the error property, we write this formula as delta q by cube is equal to delta c by c plus delta v by v. Now delta c, how much he gave? 0.2, and divided by c is 4. Delta v, how much he gave? 0.1, and v is 10, right? So now on simplifying, we will get 0.06. So now he asked to find the percentage error on the charge, right? So percentage error of charge delta q by q into 100. That is 0.06 into 100%, we get 6%. Now the charge on capacitor, how could we write the final answer in such way? How could we write means here one charge 40 microcoulomb plus this is the error. Now what we find it is error. This is the charge we find it here 40 microcoulomb plus or minus error we got 6%. So the answer is 40 microcoulomb plus or minus 6%. Right? Now next, let us move for the next question. Okay. Now this question, it is asked on 11th May 2024. In simple pendulum experiment, for determination of acceleration due to gravity, the error in measurement of length is 1%. Error in measurement of time period is 2%. Then he is asking to find the error in the estimation of acceleration due to gravity. Now let us remember or recall the formula for time period, which is 2 pi under root L by G, or T square equal to 4 pi square L by G. Now he is asking to find the error in a estimation of acceleration due to gravity. No, so write this equation in terms of G. So G equal to 4 pi square L by T square. Now using the error property, the formula is written as delta G by G into 100 is equal to, now this is constant, so delta L by L into 100 plus T square is there, no, 2 delta T by T into 100. So delta L by L, the measurement of length, error in measurement of length 1% he said, error in measurement of time period 2% he said. So 1 plus 2 of 2%, 4. So 1 plus 4, 5% is the required answer. Now next, let us move to the question asked on 14th May 2023. Now a physical quantity x is given as 2k cube L square by m root n. Now percentage errors in measurement of this k, l, m, n he gave as 1, 2, 3, 4%. He is asking to find the uncertainty in x. So as per our error properties, we write this formula as delta x by x into 100 is equal to, now 2 is the constant, right? No need of writing anything. So directly we are writing k cube. How we will write? 3 delta k by k into 100 plus L square. How we will write? 2 delta L by L into 100 plus delta M by M into 100 plus root n means what? N to the power of 1 by 2 only, no. So 1 by 2 delta N by N into 100. Right? So this is equal to 3 into delta K by K into 100, 1%. 2 into delta L by L into 100, 2%. Now delta M by M into 100, 3%. Now delta N by N into 100, 4%. 1 by 2 of 4. So 3 into 1, 3 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 plus. Now here 2 2s are 2%. If we add all, we will get 12%. Right? Now next, let us move to the question which is asked in same 2023. Okay. So I think this is the question of 2022. I didn't write the year. So a physical quantity S is related to 4 observable, so A, B, C, D. Equation he gave as S is equal to under root AB by C cube D to the power of 4. How we will write under root AB whole to the power of 1 by 2, no. Now he is asking to find the error in S, percentage error. He gave the percentage errors of A, B, C, D as 2, 1, 1, 1%. Now how we will write the formula? Delta S by S into 100 is equal to half delta A by A into 100 plus half delta B by B into 100 plus 3 delta C by C into 100 plus 4 delta D by D into 100. So substitute the values which he gave here. Half delta A by A into 100, how much? 2%. Half delta B by B into 100, how much? 1%. Now next 3 delta C by C into 100, how much? 1%. Plus 4 into delta D by D into 100, how much he gave? 1%. Substituting all this value and simplifying, you will get approximately. Actually, in options he gave 9%. We are getting 8.5. Approximately, we can take it equivalent to 9%. Right? Now next, it is asked in 2021, 4th August. Consider a physical quantity Z. He gave us A B to the power of half by C square. He gave the relative error magnitudes of all A, B, C 1% only, same value. So asking to find the relative error in Z, same formula. Delta Z by Z is equal to delta A by A plus B to the power of half. No, so half into delta B by B plus C squared 2 into delta C by C. All he gave 1% plus 1 by 2 1% plus 1 2 into 1%. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 2. 3 plus 1 by 2 7 by 2 3.5 is the answer. Right? Now next let us move to the question asked on 6th August 2021. Consider a series of measurements of length. What he gave 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.8, 3 meters. What would be the relative error he say? So relative error, how we will find out? First, the formula of relative error is mean absolute error divided by mean value. For this, we have to find first mean value, then mean absolute error value. Then if we substitute, we will get the relative error answer. So first let us find out the mean value. Mean value means assume this as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 divided by 5. Right? You substitute all values 2.4 plus 2.5 plus 2.6 plus 2.8 plus 3 divided by 5. If you simplify, you will get 2.66. Right? Now what is the formula for absolute error? The true value minus mean value. First, let us write A1 minus A bar. A1 is 2.4, A bar 2.66. You got my mode of minus 0.26. That is 0.26. Next, mode of A2 minus A bar. A2 2.5 minus A bar 2.66. Mode of minus 0.16, that is 0.16. Next, A3 minus A bar. 2.6 minus 2.66 minus 0.06. 0.06. Next, A4 minus A bar. 2.8 minus 2.66. 0.14. A5 minus A bar. 3.0 minus 2.66. 0.34. Now, next, the mean value of absolute error we want. Just add all this and divide by 5. Delta A1 0.26 plus delta A2 0.16 plus delta A3 0.06 plus delta A4 0.14 plus delta A5 0.34 divided by 5. Now, if you add all this, you get 0.96 divided by 5, you will get 0.196. So, now the relative error formula, the mean absolute error minus mean value. 0.196 by 2.66, you will get the answer 0.072. Now, next, let us move to the next question asked on 6th August 2021. Shift 2. The error in the measurement of length, breadth of rectangular table is 1%. Length, breadth 1% he gave. If length and breadth of the table are 1 meter, 50 centimeter, he is asking to find the area. The formula of area, length into breadth. He is asking to find the percentage error here. Same our error formula, delta A by A equal to delta L by L plus delta B by B. So, length how much he gave? 1. And error how much he gave? 1%. Right? Now, breadth how much he gave? 50 centimeter, that is equal to 0.5. meter. Now error how much he gave? 1%. Right? Once again, delta L by L, right? Directly he gave delta B by B 1%. That is 1 by 100, 0.01 you got. Now area he is asking, no? So area delta A by A, this one, is equal to delta L by L plus delta B by B. A I am sending to this side, A of this you will get. A, how much we will get? Length is 1 here. Breadth is 0.5. How much you will get? 0.5 into 0.01 plus 0.01. Delta L by L 1% he gave. Delta B by B also 1% he gave. So 0.01. 0.5 into 0.02, 0.01. So area of table including the error is A dash is equal to A plus or minus delta A. So A how much we got? 0.5. Plus or minus error how much we got? 0.01 meter square. Hope you understood. Now next question asked on September 2020. If absolute error is 0.05, for the measured length 5 meter, he is asking to find the percentage error. So percentage error in length delta L by L into 100. So absolute error how much he said? 0.05. Length how much he said? 5. Just to simplify, you will get 1% into 100. Now next question. It is asked on 10th September 2020. Now here you see, he gave 5 successive measurements of mass of ball. 1, 2.61, 2.58, 2.40, 2.73, 2.80 gram. He is asking to find the absolute error. Absolute error means, I said no. True value minus the mean value. First let us find the mean value. So how many values he gave? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4 plus M5 divided by 5. 2.61 plus 2.58 plus 2.40 plus 2.73 plus 2.80 divided by 5. Approximately will get 2.62 grams. Now mean absolute error means A1 I will write here. Summation I am writing. A1 true value minus mean value. 2.62 minus, sorry, I think I wrote wrong here. True value is 2.61 minus 2.62. 2.58 minus 2.62. 2.40 minus 2.62. 2.73 minus 2.62. 2.80 minus 2.62. If you do, you will get these values divided by 5, right? Whole. Now you will get the values and again you find out divided by 5. 0.56 by 5, you will get approximately 0.11 gram. Now next, let us go for the question. Asked in 2019th question. He gave Z is equal to AB square C minus 2. ABC percentage errors 2.1, 1.3, 2.2 he gave. What is the formula? The same formula up to now whatever we discussed. Delta Z by Z into 100 equal to delta A by A into 100 plus B square, no, 2 delta B by B into 100 plus C minus 2. Here we will not consider any negative values, even though minus, we will write plus 2 delta C by C into 100. So substitute the values 2.1 plus 2 into 1.3 plus 2 into 2.2 percentage. You will get 9.1 percentage. Now next, this is also asked in 2019. He gave, according to Ohm's law, I he gave 5 plus or minus 0.2A and V he gave 60 plus or minus 6V. He is asking to find the percentage error in resistance. Ohm's law, V equal to RI. R equal to V by I. Delta R by R equal to delta V by V plus delta I by I. Our formula. Right? Delta V from this 6 volts. V 60 volts. Delta I 0.2. I 5 amps. Substituting, you will get 0.14. So now, but he asked to find out the error present. So delta R by R into 100, 0.414 into 100, that is 14%. Now next, the last question asked in 2018. A wooden cubical block of mass m equal to 20 kg measured within an error of 10 grams. So m is 20 kg, delta m is 10 grams. Its side length is 100 centimeter, error is 1 mm. Right? So L is 100, delta L 1 mm. See here he gave kg, here gram. Let us convert these grams into kg. How we will convert? 1 gram equal to 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. So 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. So both now in kgs. M and delta M. L he gave 100 centimeter, delta L 1 mm. So 1 mm how many centimeters? 1 into 10 to the power of minus 1 centimeter. That is 0.1 centimeter. Now density, mass by volume. Volume means length into breadth into height. L into L into L, L cube. Cube he said. So L equal to B equal to H we are taking. L cube. So percentage error, delta rho by rho equal to delta M by M plus L cube, no, 3 delta L by L. So delta, substitute delta M 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by 20 plus 3 of 0.1 by 100. If you simplify, you will get 3.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So if you want any questions related to EAPCET, you can message to me. So I will do a video on them. Stay with my channel to receive more solved questions of EAPCET. So thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, share it, subscribe it. Yours Reshma Physics.